Dear customers, this is Casey from Guangzhou QLQ company. In here, you can see the cold forming machine, which is made by our QLQ cold forming machine workshop. Our logo is a QLQ. We have the big bobbin model and the small bobbin for your choosing, because for some country, some customer cannot buy the big bobbin for the monofilament or for the center coil. You can see inside we will put the big bobbin center coil, but now at the moment the bobbin is the small center coil. Our technician use this for testing the machine running situation. And for the big bobbin, we have two models. One is we put the balance device on the two sides, and another model without these two devices. So, which model do you like? You are welcome to contact us. We are QLQ company in Guangzhou. Thank you.